Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite like Clix. To truly emulate his style, you must embrace aggressive, fast-paced gameplay. Clix excels through superior mechanics and lightning-fast decision-making, always pushing the advantage. Mastering zone rotations is also absolutely crucial for securing optimal positions and maintaining pressure throughout every match. Consistent, dedicated practice is the key to improving your building and editing speed significantly. To master Clix's mechanical prowess, dedicate at least 30 minutes daily to focused practice routines. Concentrate on advanced techniques like double edits, triple edits, and swift wall replacements to outmaneuver opponents. Utilize various creative maps to consistently refine your aim and fluid movement. Furthermore, integrate consistent aim training exercises into your routine to significantly improve your reaction time and overall precision in engagements. Clix's aggressive playstyle involves constantly taking walls and applying relentless pressure on his opponents. You must learn to predict their movements in close-quarters combat, anticipating their next move. Master the precise art of taking walls and immediately editing for quick, decisive shots. Regularly practice various box fighting scenarios to develop an overwhelming advantage and consistently secure eliminations in tight situations. Developing superior game sense is paramount. Clix consistently seeks high ground advantage in every engagement, providing a significant tactical edge. Understand storm surge mechanics thoroughly to avoid unnecessary damage and maintain health. Always plan your rotations early, securing optimal positions before the storm forces your hand. Finally, consistently analyze your own gameplay to identify weaknesses and continuously refine your strategies for improvement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.